Hi, everybody. This is Maria, and getting the message out to each of you. I want to say hello, and getting the message out to each of you has been a little bit challenging. Some people think maybe it's spam. You haven't heard from us from a little bit, not sure. We get it. So this is why we created this video that I'm sharing my screen with you right now. I'm gonna get to the point and make it quick. I hope you all are doing great. Welcome, Solutionizers. We've created something special just for you. We're moving away from our Facebook community to a private, controlled environment. You asked and we delivered. What we built for you the past 2 years was a membership app. And our Solutionizer members, our Solutionizer community, are only individuals who have graduated from the MOPSA to Mentor program the past 3 years. And we created this community just for you. Inside our membership app, we do have other members. You have the premium level, and there is an abundant amount of tools, resources that we offer our premium members. This is at no cost for you as our founding Solutionizer tribe. Right now, for the next few months, 3 months, whatever it is, this is a gift from you to us. It's not a gift. It's just we want to have you inside there. We want to get you inside the app so you can see what's going on. We care about you. So there's three ways you download the app, Android or Apple, from your Apple store. If you've downloaded in the past, some of you have. We are becoming very active in here now. Please go into your Apple store and relaunch the app, like update it. It will need update. This is all approved by Apple. This is all um, protected and private. Okay, we took all leaps we went to make sure this is good for you. So there's going to be you when you see what I'm sharing. I'm admin, so you'll see I have everything inside my app. You won't have all that, but I want to say this is what it would look like, different plans and stuff. What I want you to sign up for is your basic membership, and I believe right now it's going right to a default membership. This is just your basic discovery page on the. This is how it looks like from a desktop. Okay, when you're on your phone, you'll see on the bottom discover, mind shift. I'm here, mind shift, discover, community. Let's see here, hold on. I lost it. Community tracking profile. There are four, one, two, three, four, five spaces for you to go. So mind shift is where we would lead you most of the time. Mind shift is where you're going to find all of the different modules that we have. I understand it could be overwhelming. We have TG ambassadors, myself and our team that are here to support you navigate. The good news is inside our community, there's links that we send you through notification. So we'll send a link to you and it will lead you to where you need to go. I mean, you can navigate yourself, but if you have challenges, we could just send you a link inside the community and get you where you need to be. We can also set up favorites, which I'll show you later. But inside here, if you start here, you click on these boxes, and inside these boxes, there's more information, there's videos to watch. Every box has something for you. Live breath work. We also, for our premium members only, okay, we have corporate members and the graduates, and the corporate members are graduates as well. Our premium members have a live studio. What does that mean? That means we have live movement in here, live yoga. Click on the link. The replays are in here for you. These arrows are all drop downable arrows. We have an abundant amount of information and rewatches for you, and it's forever growing. And as we grow, we will in always send you a link. If you want to go back, you just click on this arrow right here. Excuse me one moment. I have this in the way. Again, I'm trying to make this quick for you. This arrow brings you back to your boxes for our included resources. Maybe that might be, we also have basic members who don't join at premium level. They have some things included with for them. Definitely not our live studio. Breaking Free Solutionizer. This is you. Here's where you will live when we're doing our live. For our Solutionizer members, we're coming live 2 times a month. The first Tuesday, 8:08, the fourth Tuesday at 8:08. You're going to see in here, we have already done July 9th, July 23rd. Myself, Sheila, and Maureen showed up last Tuesday, so this is a bonus. But if you click here, we record it. The REAP watches are in here for you. Just click on this arrow. Download your assessment. These are all, when you see these boxes, these yellow boxes, they're downloadable. Watch a video, download. You could click on your Smart Solutionizer. You could listen. So there's a ton of stuff for you in here. Again, I know it seems overwhelming. Don't get lost, because we created this for you. And I promise you that once you sit with us and you allow us to show you the way, you will feel comfortable. Now, here's your community, TG Solutionizer community. You're going to see 4 channels. Okay, so the community is the Solutionizer, and I have other communities that you won't see. You may see the basic membership. That's everyone, but no other members sees other members inside basic. Only admin sees that. Inside the Solutionizer community, we break it down so that it's more organized. So let's say this channel, it's called, is for inspiration and motivation posts like Facebook. So our team's going to come here and put posts for you. When you see links like this, it's going to lead you to click on them. They're going to lead you to other sections of the app in your mind shift. This is TG information flow and newsletters, where our blogs come out, our newsletters come out. Click on the links. And these are family shares, where we share with each other. Okay. So this is like for all the members would see that. And then you can also talk to each member one-on-one. What I want you to tell you, what's very, very important, you see anonymous, I know who these 1, 2, 3, 4 people are. Everybody must set up their profile. If we don't know who you are, we will be deleting you from the app. Make sure you have a picture. We want to see you, not of your dog, not of your cat, not of your kids, of you. Okay, this is a safe place to share. People, please go to your profile. In your profile, inside Mind Shifts, there's little star buttons that you can make. You could star it and say, oh, I want this to be in my favorites, because I know I'm going to go here. So you'll see stars throughout the Mind Shift. Star it. And when you're in your profile, if you just go to your favorites, they'll show up for you. Again, I'm an admin, so it's not working. I want you to set up I'm an admin. You're not going to see what I see, but set up your name, first name. We're giving out badges like for our founding Solutionizer members. So you're going to get a badge. Set up your picture. Make sure all your notifications are set on. So when we send notifications through the app, like here, so if I want to send you a new notification, as admin, I'm going to go, nobody else could do this but admin, at channel, where I can notify everyone in this channel we're going live. Instead of, you might get a text message, but you might not. Okay, so this is inside the app, and one of our ambassadors will be assigned to you for the duration that you are active in here. We have the accountability tracking tool. We are still developing it. We did get some feedback from our team and our board and our community, and we're going to simplify it and add some more different. So just more to come on that. You can go in there and work your gratitude journalings, but there is accountability tracking tools. And what I want to share with you and finish off with this, we also have a SMS texting verified phone number. It is 1-347-971-4141. Log it. It's not spam. Our email address, we have 3 different emails because we are centralizing everything. You may get an email from transformationalgangsters@gmail or tggangsterannette@gmail, or you might get an email that could be the marketing email, which we kept it like that now because we're minimizing all of our emails. Maybe info@transformationalgangsters.com. And our newest one, where we're housing our empire, our family of wellness brands, because we have the Green Spa and Wellness Center, 26 plus years, Legend of the Spa, our skincare line and body line, and Transformational Gangsters, our mindset mastery coaching and change management coaching, life coaching and mentoring. So we're getting it under one umbrella, and we're getting it moved over to wellnessspace.us. So inside our management, we're attaching that to wellness space. That's a direct message from a different platform. So look out for us in your spam folders. Get us, whitelist us, let us know that we're safe. Save our phone, our text messaging. We are minimizing our emails, and we are using more of a notification. Okay, so don't forget to turn that on. We want to be here for a lifetime. We have a beautiful community of like-minded individuals on the same mission, same like-minded people. Come meet them. Some of them you know already. We want to hear from you. We want to hear your shares. Message us inside the app and email us, call us. Myself, Sheila Maureen, family owned, operated. We love you. We thank you. I hope this was a little helpful. And Transformational Gangsters is the app you want to download, and you can also get it on your desktop. We control this, and it is private. So thank you. Okay.